bird.
I'm proud of how well you've all done in today's spelling contest. But now, we're down to our last two contestants, Emily Elizabeth and Jetta. Emily, spell the word monkey.
Monkey. M-O-N-K-E-E. Monkey.
Oh, I'm sorry. That's incorrect. Jetta, spell the word monkey.
Monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey.
Correct.
Yes!
Congratulations, Jetta. You're the winner of our spelling contest.
Great job, Jetta. Your medal sure is beautiful.
I know.
Hey, guys.
Hi, Charlie.
Hello.
Wanna play soccer?
Sounds fun, but Mom and I are going shopping today.
I'll play, but I better take off my spelling champion medal first. Oh, would you please put this over on the bench for me, Emily Elizabeth? I don't want to lose my beautiful, shiny medal while I'm playing soccer.
Come on, let's play.
No, Mac. No tummy yummies in there. Just my shiny new medal. My medal! It's gone! And I bet I know who took it.
This rice bone is great.
Yeah. I wish Cleo was here to help us chew it up.
Hi, you guys.
Wow. How'd you do that, Clifford?
Sorry I'm late. I was at the groomers.
Your new bow sure is shiny.
You could send a secret message with that bow.
A secret message?
With a bow?
Yeah, like Tiny did in the book Emily read me last night.
I'd love to be a detective like that. Wouldn't you, T?
I don't know. Would I have to wear a shiny bow?
Look, there's Jetta and Mac. Jetta looks kind of mad.
Hey, Mac. What's going on?
Oh, not much. Emily Elizabeth just stole Jetta's spelling medal, that's all.
What?
She took it from Jetta's sweater pocket at the park.
Emily Elizabeth would never take her medal.
I would never take your medal.
You were jealous because I won the spelling contest, so you stole it.
I did not. Maybe you dropped it on the way home or something.
Are you sure you didn't take it?
I promise.
I just can't believe it's gone.
Well, I could help you look for it, Jetta.
Okay. Let's go, Machiavelli. We're gonna find my medal.
Even though we already know who has it.
Mac really thinks Emily Elizabeth stole that medal.
We know Emily Elizabeth didn't take it.
I'm sure they'll find it.
Wait, what if we found it?
How could we do that?
We could be detectives.
Ooh, detectives, I love it.
We'll start by looking around the park.
Hold on.
This was the last place Jetta saw the medal. Do you smell anything?
Like what?
Like clues, T-Bone.
What's a clue?
Anything that will help lead us to Jetta's missing medal.
Oh. Achoo! Is this a clue?
Maybe.
Hey, there's a really strong smell here.
Whoa!
This is real close to the last place Jetta saw her medal.
Come on, let's follow the smell.
The smell is getting stinkier now.
Cleo sure is a good sniffer.
Ruff, ruff, ruff,
I think she found Jetta's medal.
ruff, ruff, ruff.
Stop sniffing me and go away.
That's not Jetta's medal. That's Jetta! Whoa!
Well, there's no medal over there. That's for sure.
Come on, let's go back to my house and work on a new plan.
I'm sorry we didn't find your medal.
My neck is just so bare without it. Are you absolutely positively sure you didn't take it, Emily?
I said I didn't, and it really hurts my feelings when you keep asking.
But when I gave you my sweater, it was in the pocket, and when I looked in my pocket later, it was gone.
I don't take things that don't belong to me.
Hey, where's my mirror? Give it back, Emily, right now.
I didn't take it. Just give it back. I don't have it, Jetta. I'm going home.
Oh, there's gotta be a way to prove Emily Elizabeth didn't take the medal.
She did it again, Clifford. This time she stole Jetta's mirror.
Cut it out, Mac.
It had to be her. She was the only one there.
You think she could have, Clifford? I mean, maybe she couldn't resist.
No, Emily Elizabeth didn't do anything wrong, but I'm gonna find out who did. Someone's taking things that don't belong to them, and we're gonna catch them.
Do you really think someone would try and steal your bow, Cleo?
Sure, humans love shiny stuff. Look, it's Emily Elizabeth. She's gonna take it.
No, she won't.
You lost your bow, Cleo. Let me put it back in your hair for you. There! It looks great. See ya.
She didn't take it, Cleo.
No, but I wish someone had.
Come on, guys. Let's put the bow back out on the sidewalk again and see if someone else takes it.
Oh my gosh, it's gone! Emily Elizabeth must have changed her mind and come back to take it.
She didn't take anything.
Okay, Emily Elizabeth. I'm gonna give you one more chance to return my medal and my mirror.
I didn't take it, Jetta. Why won't you believe me?
We've got to find that medal.
Look, there's a feather here where Cleo's bow used to be. Just like the one in the park. And that sound, I heard it at the ferry dock, and I heard it again when Cleo's bow was taken.
Good work, T. Those are just the clues we need.
It's that bird that's making all the noise, Clifford.
Wow. Emily Elizabeth has to see this.
Clifford, it's Jetta's medal. You found it. You found it. And look, there's her mirror and Cleo's shiny bow, too.
What are you doing, Emily Elizabeth?
Clifford found your medal, Jetta.
What?
That old seabird must have taken it. Some birds are very attracted to shiny things.
Oh, this is amazing!
I told you I didn't take it, Jetta. I wish you'd believed me.
Oh, I'm sorry. It just seemed like you did. But I guess it wasn't very fair of me to think that when I didn't know for sure.
At least there was one friend who never doubted me. The most loyal friend I could ever have, Clifford.